Hello all, in this video we'll make the other two part of clevis pin assembly. So without much ado, let's start I already opened my Catia environment here. So I'm giving the name also. This is the first of all we'll make the U-shape part 2. Okay guys, so I will delete this one. Now I'm selecting this part and go to sketch. So I'll show you guys the other part. This is the U-shape part. Okay guys, this is U-shape part. Here you can see I already zoom it here. This is the U-shape part, so no problem. So it is of 20 height, we will know, and it is of 80 and it is of thickness of 20. Okay guys, no problem. You have to see, just focus on it. If you focus on the screen, you will know this is the part here. This one is the part 1 part. This is the yoke part we already made in previous video, and this is the pin inserted between the hole. This is the hole, you can see it from the top. Okay guys, no problem. So 50, 20 and its thick in width is 50. Okay, now let's go. Okay, my battery is okay, sorry guys. So now I am going to select this center rectangle. Okay, double click on it so that you can frequently use it. It is 50. It is of what? Okay guys, what is this? This is 80 excluding this 20. Okay guys, so you can make in either way. You can take 80 from this cross section, you can make 20. Okay, before you have to other way is that first of all make 100 and from this top surface you can extrude this 20. Okay, both way. Okay guys, no problem, you can do either way. So now it is 80. Go to exit documents. I will show you guys what I'm saying about you before. It is 20. Okay guys, okay, what is the difference between? It is 20. Okay, 20 already here. No need to type, you can type it on your screen. So now in this, if I make the 100 length, then I am drawing the upper part from this top surface. Okay, now I only take the 80 mm length, so I am selecting this part and now zoom to fit. Go to zoom to fit guys. Okay, and then just select here. Okay, then you have to do here and double click on it, select this one and give. This is 50 guys, there is no problem, it will coincide here. Otherwise you have to make coincide. You have I already show you guys how to coincide. First select this one and then coincide with this. So okay, let me make you. Okay, and this is the what is the distance of this vertical distance. It is already 20 here and it is 30 here. You can see this is from here to here, it is 30 guys. Okay, it is how much? 30. Okay, I am taking this distance. Okay, let me take this for now. Now I have to make this one. Okay, let me unselect it. Okay, I undo it. I already undo that part. So from this part and this part, go to constraint defining dialog box and coincidence. Okay guys, now from here I am taking this dimension from here to here, so 30 plus 20, what? 50. Okay, I will give this as a 50. Okay, now go to now what? No, I have to make this part below, that's why I can during the simulation I don't need to do much work. Okay, I will go here and okay, I am deleting this constraint command. Okay, go here and delete this one. Okay, now what you have to do is it will move and I am giving this and this as a coincidence. Okay, I already told you guys how to modify it also, just learn it. No one is perfect guys, so I made a mistakes. So I made it to for comfort, for my own comfort. Okay guys, so now what you have to do is go to extrude, and this is what is that, this is okay, 20, no problem guys, already here. Okay, now what the remaining part is I have to do is I have to draw this fillet. What is the fillet guys? It must be 15. Okay, 15, upper 15, lower 15. Okay, select this one and go to fillet. Okay, already here 15. Okay, now this is your required part. This is U-shape part of clevis pin assembly. Now what you have to do is go to file. Okay, save U-shape part 2. Okay, no problem. Now what I have to do is I have to make the pin part, mechanical design, part design, this third part, pin third of clevis pin mechanism. Okay, no problem guys, go to select this one and select this one, and I'm selecting this one. Pin is of circular cross section, giving dimension of what, 20, because the hole we made is radius of 10, it must, diameter must be 20. What is the length? For length I'll show you guys some guidance here. So from here to here its distance is 80. Okay, no problem, go here, and now I'm going to extrude and 40. Okay, why I'm taking 40? I'm going to mirror action guys, so that's why I'm taking 40. Now this is my 80. Now I have to go to file. I already name as a clevis pin assembly, so pin third, but I'll show you guys how to save it also. So now in the next video we'll make the clevis pin assembly. Okay guys, so in this video we'll make this part. So another one feature is window. Go to window, and in which style you want to see the cascade video, it will show like this. Okay, I will minimize it. In window it is an extra knowledge guys, tie horizontally, yes, in this way it will come. And those who know this feature already, okay guys, no problem, you can go. So those don't know, tie vertically guys. This is also okay, tie vertically. In this way you can also see your windows. It will very useful when you are working with many with many designs. Okay guys, okay, thank you all for seeing my videos. Stay safe, stay home guys.